Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Doherty Elementary School in West Bloomfield Township, Michigan, part of the West Bloomfield School District. This is my second visit to their campus. And it was another beautiful afternoon and morning. I got to interact with grades 1 through 5 students and staff right here in the main gym. The primary focus was diversity. The sub-theme was need human kindness, like you see on the front of my shirt here. My friend and I designed this a few years ago, but you'll see the peace sign is inside the heart, but there's also two people inside this heart, right? Because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves, we also have to show it to others as well. And it's so important we do, because if someone's in earshot of that kind word or eyesight of seeing a kind action, it might change their heart in a positive way as well. So we know we have to really be all in and focused on that kindness, but I also really wanted to impress upon everyone in attendance today this idea and importance of unconditional love, right? And this means love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter than us, wider than us, skinnier than us, different skin color than us, if they wear glasses or don't, if they're disabled or not, we can still show this love, right? That we can rise above and hopefully rise above the hate, but try to replace that with this pure love. And again, it just touched my heart to see that so many of the students were all heart today, all eyes, all ears, but also all heart. And they really took it to heart. You know, the message, a lot of them came up to me afterwards and just talked about the difference that some of these stories had on them about students their age, that some have been through a lot, but they're still always choosing kindness, right? They're still choosing to turn any pain that they might have into greatness. And this also comes back to the idea that all of us, really value who we are and how special each of us are, but also see that in those around us too. And that concept ties into what I bring up in every single assembly, because I just think it's that vital for people to remember and to keep at the forefront. But that's that we're all true miracles, right? With the lines on our hands, we all have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. And that M stands for miracle upside down. W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, now we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart, right? And hopefully start to let that light shine across this world, because that's how we start to change this world, one act of kindness at a time. We also do it by having that greater appreciation for diversity. When I say diversity, this basically means our differences, right? We could be different on the outside, how we're born, how we walk, talk, see, hear, learn, just the way we dress, the foods we eat, the languages that we speak. We definitely have to respect everything on the outside, but we also have to honor what's on the inside. And these could be our gifts, our talents, our abilities. So we need to appreciate both what's on the outside and what's on the inside, and understand that diversity is a great thing, right? Because if we were all the same, that'd be pretty boring, right? But the fact that we're all unique, the fact that we're all beautiful, the fact that we're all different, it's what makes schools like this so amazing, right? We can learn from each other, we can grow from each other. We all come from different walks of life, have different stories and different situations that we've been through, and hopefully we can help each other rise instead of tearing each other down. And like we talk about, we're not born mean, we're not born hateful, we're born nice, right? We're born kind. Sometimes we learn those negative things. We can always unlearn them if we choose to, by knowing that this world needs a lot more human kindness, that the need is there, and that each of us sharing that love, sharing those little small acts of kindness is how we start to change things. So thanks for touching my heart. It was another beautiful day here at Doherty. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.